Hi everyone, Ryan from Ryan G's Barbecue and Stuff. Today I'm in a special collaboration with Tom from Barbecue Life UK and Matt from SmokingQs. We're using some UK rub, so the hashtag is UK rub. Check that down in the description below. I'll put their links to their channels, and also there'll be iCards running along the top to their videos. The rub I'm going to be using today is from the Rusty Barbecue Company. Here it is. It's called kettle dust. Now I'm going to be using it on some beef shank. I'm going to be doing a beef shank hot and fast over some screaming hot coals. I'm going to take it to, I don't know, medium rare, as best I can. Then I'm going to slice it all nice and thin and put it in some burritos. So stick around, let's get to cooking. So I got this this meat from King's Farm Shop in Wendover. It was really nice. Good bit of beef shank. I'll put that over here. Here's the rub that I just opened. Kettle dust, as you can see. Got a really nice sort of savoury smell. It's the best. Really sort of nice. It's going to go well with this beef. I'm looking forward to it. So I just opened this up. I've given this a really hard trim. Just because it had a lot of sinew and tubes in it, so I took all of that off. I'm just going to give this a rub down on the inside, let all that flavour get in, and hopefully not get eaten by all the wasps that have just turned up, which isn't ideal. These can be a bit of a chef treat, I think. There must be a wasp nest nearby. Never seen so many wasps. When wasps attack. Right. The barbecue will go on. Right, so I've got a good covering on that. These are going to be cooked hot and fast on the barbecue, so they're not going to be hanging around too long. Just going to give this a bit of a, to pick up all of the rub that I've missed, and let that flavour penetrate the meat for a little while. I'm going to take this back indoors and put it in the fridge and let it rest, because I'll be totally honest, these wasps are doing me head in. And I'm going to go before I get stung. I'll just move these around. But you can see that was the top half. And that was the bottom half. And they're just going to sit like that. The bone was running through it. The butcher took the bone out for me, which was good of him. But the rest of it, I done. So, yeah. The aroma from this rub is absolutely amazing. See you in a little while, guys. So these have just hit 50 internals. So I've just moved these across directly above the coals to flash them, get some griddle marks going, and to finish them off. So I'll give them a couple of seconds and turn them over. Right, so I'm going to give these a quick flip, and I reckon they're probably good to pull now. Oh yeah. Definitely good to go. Put these on the plate and let them rest up. I'm going to get to making the other stuff. What I'm going to do is show you a little bit more sliced up. You got that over there. I just thought I'd do this little bit. Save that for later on. There's lots of meat here, so it seems a shame to cut it all up. Let's get it all nice and thin. Look at that, it's beautiful. So tender and juicy. These are going to make some pretty fine burritos, should I say. Oh, let's put him back on there. And I must admit, I've been picking at this while I've been cutting it, and the rub is absolutely super duper. It brings the flavour of the beef out. I can't even begin to tell you how nice it is. But believe me, it's good. Right, so here's the finished burrito. I suppose I better give you the money shot when I cut into it. Let's see how it goes. Oh wow, look at that. There we go, can't argue with that, can we? Look at the layers in there. I've got to give it a go. I tell you what, I was a little bit cynical about beef shin, or beef shank as some people call it, but cooked hot and fast with the bovine kettle dust from the Rusty Barbecue Company. It's absolutely stellar, super duper nice. I can recommend it. Oh, so good. I'm gonna have some more. No words. If you like what I do, please hit the subscribe button. Check out my other collaborators. This is Ryan G from Ryan G's Barbecue and Stuff. See you again soon. Bye. The rub I'm going to be using today, it's from the Rusty Barbecue Company and it's called Cattle Dust. Now I'm going to be using this cattle dust on some lamb. No, I use the cattle dust